Polymer Products, an injection molding and blow molding technology plant. Patil Insulating Company Private Limited now has big venture in blow mold technology will bring the best and innovative product, Jaladi water tanks. Patil Polymer Products, an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, has 3 acres of big plant situated in Belur industrial area on NH4 Dharwad. Is now introducing 6 layers with foam blow molded Jaladi water tanks. Jaladi water tank has 6 layer made under highly technical imported blow molding fully automatic machine. Each and every water tank will be checked for accurate weight before final pack. 5 mm thickness water tank cap made in injection molding machine.
We are the manufacturers of Jaladi water tanks. We are the first in India to manufacture 6-layer water tanks. Right now we are giving 4 layers in the market and we are getting good response in the market for a quality tank. Jaladi water tank is successfully tested in all tough conditions, that is drop test, hit test and crash test.
Jaladi water tank key features are: it protects from UV rays, it has uniform wall thickness, it has 6 layers, non-toxic, high temperature insulation, odorless and food grade material are used.
We manufacture Jaladi water tanks from 300 liters to 2000 liters and even we are into loft tanks sizes 500 liters and 750 liters. And very soon we are going to come in foam tanks as well. Main features of a Jaladi water tank is it has a uniform wall thickness. It is a very unique design. It is non-toxic, odorless, very hygiene. It is not just only a tank, it is a treasure of water.
Jaladi water tanks, treasure of water.